everyone. I hope you all are doing fine. The most of the user are facing the problem how to make the policies, and I have seen that so many people are using the copy and paste in the terms and condition policy or even policy page, private policy in the app users do. So most of the users are doing in the wrong way. So most of the users ask me why the policy has been not compatible with the Google Apps. So here I'm going to show you. So most of the apps, you see there is a policy page will be there. So some will be have a different and some will be have a different type of policies here. So as you can see in the app support, you can see there is a private policy page. So then if it is like an official website like the biggest company who was making tracky games, they will have a different kind of a policies and they will make like a completely different kind of a pages. So according to that, in the policy they will add their brand's name also, who has a distributors in that and who has a merchants in that. So they will write. But what about the small developer who makes the app, like they do the reskills and they usually like small type of games, even apps or anything. So most of the apps or games they will have like a basic like a terms and condition policy. But the global see the policy which is European law supported policy. There is a common policy. So in this I am going to show you some websites where you can able to generate the policy. If you want to copy and paste your blog and know the website code or apps, you can do that. Otherwise, you can do some websites where they generate the link for you to copy and paste the URL of yours. So no need to keep that particular website or anything. Don't need to waste your time. So here I am going to show you how to generate your policy. So before that, I just want to show you some basic any app I will take it. So River. So for the reference, I have taken the River app. So you can see the most people they will going to use the task application, like a reward application. So here I have taken. This is like a local developer who will use this kind of apps. They will take and they do some task to you and you have to know them. So for them there is an app. They will like a simple policy. So some people see here is a no policy page is not found. So most of cases it's happened. So why you need to waste? If you are showing that 040 page is not found, the Google will be going to lower your app as soon as possible. They detect the policy page is not been found. So for that, I am going to show you how to generate your policy page for apps or games. You can find that. So the first website I am going to show you free private policy. So in this interface you can see that free private policy. All the requirement from the CPRA and CCPA and GDPRA. The Google Analytics and AdSense and others. So as you can see, free policy runs are free terms and conditions, free cookies policy, free returns and different policy generator, and all this kind of a generator site. So for the cookies, you can know that different policy also you can able to use for your even websites also. So for now, we are going to use the free private policy here. So you can see there is a tools also here mentioned. So right now we are going to generate the application. So see here it's asking to generate a free preview 100% free. Where you want to provide the policy for the users, not for a website or not for an app. So right now we need for an app, not for a website. So just click on the app and continue to generate the policy. Okay. I am going to share you the link in the description. You can write. So just like for the app like for an example, I will take like a money. Monkey run for a game. I need this. Once your business or your individual, you have to keep not write like an individual, not from which country. So I am from India, so I will write it like kind of a games you don't need to be required. So as I'm going to it's a non-linking one, it's a game. So I'm not even trying to add any information that I'm not taking, because my app has only in-app purchases, and apart from that only ads revenue on that. So for that I'm not taking anything. So as I'm not taking any information, if you're taking any information, just write it here, just tick on here, just simply just tick, or if you don't want, just untick it. Select the information you are creating for the device. So I'm not taking any information, so you can skip this, just go next. Personal information, I'm not taking any others. You are not even taking, but it's asking. So you have to mention that. So I am not taking because it's asking. So I will just click on an order. Just another thing. Select the additional information you are collecting from the device. So this is the most important thing, because when you are adding your application or any information you are taking, even if it's a game also, but it's take your location, not the GPS, just it's take the location here. Because as you are going to track the application, according to the user information only they will going to show you the ads. So the upcoming videos also are going to show that they will going to be. So this click as next. And then user programmer indicated regarding your policy by email. So if you want to go that, if any customer wants to contact you, if you want to give the email ID or phone number or any official address like that. So just I will put as XYZ, or you can generate here also, nothing to be worried. So I will write that xyz@gmail.com for an example. We can write like a test@gmail.com. Then next. So choose your professional policy. So we are making for the app and this is the GDPR you need to make. So yes, I want to update the professional policy of user. If you are clicking this, it will go to positive according to that. So no need to worry, any website is positive, but I was going to show you other website also. Don't be no need to write all those kind of things. So right now click like a download the professional email ID. So just go on the next, and please email ID you need to write. So we are going to generate the email ID. As I will write it like a test@gmail.com. Then generate it. So you can see there is a policy that has been written. It says that your app, whatever the name is and you have been mentioned, the policy has been generated. You can copy and paste the link, and you can copy the HTML code from here, and you can directly copy and paste in the blogger or anything. Even on the WordPress also you can copy and you can paste this. So this is one website, and I am going to take you to the other website also. Just go on this website, app.policy.com. This is the best website. I every time use this website only, and there is a no registration, no reject from this any apps also. So it's quite good. So I really like this app website. So just go on, create an app private policy generator. So here also I'm going to write that give cash. I'm writing this kind of a just example name. So just next, select your country, the same thing from where you are having it should be good. Same state, Andhra Pradesh I'm writing, you can select any. So right now I'm going to select as a Gujarat. Just click as a next, and the email ID. So I will generate some random email ID here, and generate my private policy. That's it. Here it's not asking related any professional things or anything like that. So it's like almost your all work and very easily and comfortably. So I request you to use this website. It's quite easy, and I also mostly personally use this website, and it's quite policy they have been mentioned here, everything. So it's auto default they have been mentioned as a global, what kind of a global things they have been required, all those things has been written. So you may need to mention all those things, the product policy has been written here, everything. So after the Gmail ID we are given in the contact, they will be have here. So it has been mentioned here also from where it has been generated here.